friends, welcome to the channel Soft Skills by Varna Sani. Today I am going to show you how to wear a scarf in a super easy way. So what you need over here is a long piece of scarf, which is a normal scarf. You can just put it around your neck and ensure that both the ends they are equal, and you need a bangle for it. It can be any kind of bangle. You can take whatever you have at your place. So what you need to do is just put one end of the scarf inside the bangle like this, then take another end also, put it like this, so it appears something like this, right? And now take one end, just twist it around the scarf, and the same end has to be twisted for the second time as well, and take this end, twist it around the scarf once, and then twist it for the second time as well. And here we go. A very simple way of wearing a scarf, doesn't take much time, and it looks very stylish. Simple. You can just give it a try and let me know if you were able to wear it and how did you like it. And friends, if you really like my videos, please share them and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.